Yo, check it, we be living the dream. You know how we play. Harry app now unlocking homes every day. Lights in the city, got choices galore. From the beach to the box, we open the door. Condo, apartment, find your perfect fit. Invest in your joy.
Hello, Ka-Fiesta! Welcome to Fiesta Communities. Pampanga, Tarlac, Zambales, at Bataan. Mas pinasaya pa ang community dahil sa mga amenities na talaga namang tatak fiesta. Bayanihan Hall, basketball court, at entrance gate na guarded 24/7 for the safety of our ka-fiesta. At dahil suwak sa lahat ang Fiesta Communities, kompletong-kompleto ang ating mga model units mula sa pinakamura hanggang sa pinakabongga. Wow! Kompletong-kompleto! Kaya model units. May basic na studio type, may improved with 2 bedrooms, may end unit na may outside kitchen at carport. Basta Kaya model unit, siguradong abot kaya ng bulsa. Saya model units. May bungalow, may 2-story. Pwede pang pumili kung 2 bedrooms or 3 bedrooms. Punong-puno ng saya ang mga future ka-fiesta dahil sa ligayang hatid ng Saya Model Units. Laya Model Units. Bungalow man o 2-story, malaya kang gawin ang gusto mo dahil solo mo ang bakuran. Yan ang Laya Model Units. Maya Model Units. Ito ang ultimate dream house. May 3 bedrooms, may 2 bathrooms, plus maiikutan pa ang buong bahay. Kaya, Saya, Laya at Maya, yan ang mga model units na talaga namang swak para kanino man. Abot kayang bahay kung saan ang bawat isa ay malayang magkaroon ng maayos na tahanan.
You know what we mean. So dive into life. Let the journey begin. Hurry up now, properties. Homes made easy, built for peace. Hurry up now, remember the name. Your home, your future, your way. Yo, check it, we be living the dream. You know how we play. Hurry up now, unlocking homes every day. Lights in the city, got choices galore. From the beach to the box, we open the door. Condo